You spend a lot of time and energy looking out for your bottom line. Keeping profits high and losses low is a never-ending struggle for many businesses. Unfortunately, statistics show that your own employees may account for nearly half of all business losses from inventory shrinkage and theft of business assets. But you can protect yourself and your business with our customized commercial security solutions. We can upgrade your traditional lock system with a new master key and key control system, or install a complete high-security access control system with proximity card readers, logging the entry and exit times of everyone who has accessed your building or even a specific room. Need to secure desks, filing cabinets, shelving, or other storage areas? Or maybe a complete security monitoring system with motion detection and video surveillance? We do all that and more. Let us help your bottom line. Contact us today.